back, City Hunters, new day, new vlog from Germany. Today we're at Heidelberg, and this is a big town, small town, I have no idea. At least it's a student town. The weather is great, so let me take you guys with me and explore Heidelberg. Come along. Take care, peace out, ciao. The river Rhine. It's lovely weather outside here, and at the back you'll see the castle of this town. And yeah, let's walk towards the castle. And yeah, from there onwards we will see some different locations. Stay with me, ciao. Okay, look at the beautiful area. We've got some nice boats around here, which you can take. You've got some nice restaurants as well on the opposite side. And yeah, I think first of all, yeah, let's walk to the famous bridge, and from there onwards we will see what more we can do. So let's walk. You can also rent a cycle here, of course, and yeah, from there you can explore Heidelberg. I mean, it's a small town, but it's a lovely town, a beautiful town, and yeah, especially when the weather's great. You need to keep in mind that the parking space is difficult to find here, because it's a small town, but it's a famous town. So even today it's like Sunday, but it's still yeah, quite busy around here. Well, if you think, well, it's a touristic town, I would say. So yeah, let's walk. At the back you will see the famous bridge. I'm going to walk there, and all the way there you can see the famous castle. I don't think we're gonna go to the castle today, because yeah, I mean, if you've seen the castle from outside, that's enough. And then from onwards we will see what's happening. Watch this and walk around this area. Let me show you guys if I can film. And you can walk all the way from there, but I'm not going there. So I'm just walking here upstairs, and then from here onwards walking towards the bridge. Also, you've got here the famous Allama Iqbal residence where he used to live, because Allama Iqbal is a poet, I would say. I don't know how to say it in English, but anyway, he's a very famous guy from Pakistan. Every Pakistani knows who Allama Iqbal is, so he used to study here at this area, and later on we're gonna visit his residence as well. Yeah, the weather is great, man. That's really lovely. So yeah, you can see people are still doing in the water some activities. We're not gonna do some activities by ourselves. Yeah, we're just gonna walk around and chill here and make some nice pictures, and that's it. Now still towards the bridge. I know I've said that like many times. We've got some nice apartments here around this area. We've got a cycle who's ringing, and let me turn the camera. Some activities. We've also got police. I have no idea what the police is doing here, but they need to keep in mind that people still are safe around here. Okay, so now I'm walking still almost at the bridge. Where we parked was a bit far, but anyway, we did do our best. And now yeah, walking. It's quite busy around here, and someone is in the water, so people in the water still. I'm not sure if you can swim here, but you still see some budgies around here. Power to the people, of course. I'm not gonna vote, but we still go the power to the people. And look at how beautiful that is, man. Just look. I mean, in this lovely little town, you've got a nice area, and from here, yeah, almost there at our destination. But even in Germany, Amsterdam is famous. So don't forget, yeah, to visit Amsterdam as well, because that is one of the, well, I wouldn't say beautiful, one of the most beautiful cities, but it's a beautiful city to visit. So that's free promotion for Amsterdam. You can see me again one more time. My English is a little bit shitty today, but it doesn't matter because I'm still enjoying the lovely view, lovely weather, and yeah, almost at the bridge. Then from there onwards, I think we're gonna have ice cream because yeah, the weather is good. So let's take some ice cream, and from there onwards, we might visit some more places in Heidelberg. So stay with me and catch you in a bit. So along the river Rhine, you can walk all the way from, I think, from this whole one bridge to another bridge. We got a nice area. There's about, I don't know, I'm not sure if this is a restaurant or not. I have no idea. But yeah, it's a restaurant, a lounge, bar as well. But it's closed at the moment, so I'm not sure what happened. Houses, man. Apartments or houses, I have no idea. And you've got a lot of tourists on this Sunday. And yeah, look how beautiful this is, man. It's in the valley, and well, actually it's a bit too hot today, but still we'll see what we can do, and yeah, at least get an ice cream. That's the first thing that we're gonna do. You can rent some rooms at the Heidelberg Suite. It's a hotel, and yeah, I'm thinking, let's go upstairs. Maybe on the way back, we can go. We can walk downstairs. Maybe then we can see how good the water is. At the famous bridge, it's quite old. This bridge. I will put down in the subtitles how old this bridge is, but one of the most famous spots of Heidelberg. And besides or behind that, you will see the big castle, which is also the most famous spot of Heidelberg. Okay, so this is a small street, I think, with some restaurants around here. You can get some ice cream, some souvenir shop around here. Hi, man. Some nice flowers. It's quite busy area, this. And that's what I was saying to you guys. A big church, I think. I'm not sure. A lot of tourists around here. Okay, this is the big church I was mentioning to you guys. I don't think you've got something inside it. It's closed at the moment. So let me see, this is a big square then. People are having some ice creams. So let me walk. We still haven't had our ice cream. Okay, there you will see the castle. You can go there, but we're not gonna go there. This is the shop. And a big square around here. Finally arrived at the residence of Dr. Illama Iqbal. I will turn my camera and then you guys can see where he used to live when he studied this house. So there's a big board with his name on it, so let me do that and then I'll turn the camera. To be careful because the road is not really good here where he was staying during his studies. So I'm gonna move from here because you can see the cars from here, and then I'll cross the road and then I will turn my camera and then you guys can see where he used to live. So that's used to be his residence, and yeah, I mean besides that it's nothing special, just a sign that he used to live here. It's one of the main highlights for the Pakistanis here who come to Heidelberg and visit the residence. Well, at least you can't visit it properly. You just see outside the board hanging where he used to live. So now we're gonna go at I think at a beach area, not a beach area, but you know, where you can chill, sit and hang out. So we're gonna go there, and from there onwards I will make some movies, I think. I'm not sure. Anyway, stay with me. Ciao.